Beautiful. Welcome back, guys, and as you guys can see, we're in the kitchen. We're in the kitchen. Alright, so let me just fix this up because it's probably looks a little crazy. In today's video, we're going to be doing something different, and I'm super excited because it's something that I really like to eat, actually. Today we are going to be making cinnamon rolls. I have one that is original, and I have one that is, ooh, excuse me. You guys, I have a problem, because I know one of you guys one day is going to tell me, can you just stop and cut it out with the burp thing? Like, cut it out. I'm sorry, I just can't stop. I can't contain myself sometimes. One, I just want to start by is that I am using my other camera. I decided to take a break because I just realized that I actually bought this and I'm not really using it too much. So I just don't like the fact that sometimes it just looks too artificial, the color sometimes, because the lighting in my house isn't bright enough, but it's okay. So we're just going to try to maintain and stop being, you know, dumb. But yeah, before getting into today's video, let's go ahead and give this big video a big thumbs up if you like cinnamon rolls, because I love cinnamon rolls and my family loves cinnamon rolls as well. We are a family that likes to eat desserts. I like to get to their hearts through desserts. I just be baking through people's hearts, like. Alright, so basically what it's saying that we have to do is that we have to preheat the oven to 400 degrees, and then we have to place the rolls in a pan. So I'm gonna go get the pans and some grease. Before baking, I like to make sure that everything is clean, because I don't know, that's just how I am. Alright, so now that I'm wiping off my pan, I'm gonna wrap the aluminum foil around my pan now. So I'm just gonna do it the long way, like this. Do the same thing for this side. Okay, gonna wrap it. Wanna start doing more cooking stuff, because I feel like since I like baking things, I might as well just start making things and start putting it out there for you guys so that you guys can see. So since it's more like the holidays and this is more like the time where I start baking more, so comment down below if you guys want to see more cooking with Chiina or baking with Chiina, or however you guys want to call this channel, or whatever you want to call this segment, because I want to put more cooking stuff out there, because I just don't do, you know, funny or silly stuff. I do cooking stuff. I like baking things. I like, this is my life. This is passion right here, okay? So right here, we got our 2 cinnamon rolls. So I have placed my sheet down to my pan. I'm gonna take the butter. Well, not the butter, the margarine. The other day I went to the supermarket and I picked this up, and I was just like, I think I should pick this up for our segment. So today is the day. And here is where the magic starts, you guys. Alright, so what I'm going to do is that it says peel and pop, press spoon against steam. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to... So I'm having a difficulty here. Of course, as per usual, I would be the one. Yes, please. 4. As you can see, this bad boy is open, so we're gonna open it up. Beautiful. So this is the icing, and this cinnamon roll, guys. Ooh, let's move back up, because how beautiful that looks. Okay, so we're gonna take this top off because this is to the icing. Okay, so now I'm gonna place them down. I want you guys to see. Hold on. I'm just so sorry for the bad lighting, guys. This is so bad. I apologize. This camera is just not well put to be working in the house apparently. It likes to work more outside than inside the house, so I don't know. Guess what? I'm ready putting all these stuff in there and I didn't even set up the oven. So the oven has to be at 400. Bake, baby, bake! Put that baby to preheat. Alright. Okay. So now that they're on the baking sheet, apparently, I can leave it like this. And it's gonna bake basically for 8 to 10 minutes and it's gonna be deliciousness. So I want to do the same thing with the other one. I think I want to add one more right here. Hey. Alright. Jesus. Start with this one. I'm gonna leave that top there with the icing. Okay. 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 I'm not just entertaining myself, I'm entertaining y'all too. It's alright. I feel like I got gypped for 2, 4, 6. Oh, okay, never mind. Forget about it. Forgot I put it over there. So we wait for the oven to preheat. Alright, so I'm just gonna rest these over here until this oven preheats. Because I'm excited to see how these bad boys come out and look like. So I guess when the oven's ready, we'll be back. The oven at 400. You want to put your pan inside. One there. I'm gonna put the one. This one on the bottom. So you're gonna leave those bad boys in there for about a good 10 minutes. And yeah, in 10 minutes we'll be back. So the oven just finished beeping. And look how beautiful these things look. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, they're ready. Ooh, look how beautiful those are. How beautiful they look, guys. Oh my god. Well, that is it for today's video, guys. You guys are probably wondering, like, why didn't you put the icing on it? Well, I wanted to cool down maybe a little bit, or maybe I should put the cooling icing on it. What you guys think? Should I put the icing on it now? Yeah. All right. Anybody could be Betty Crocker. Taquitos. So yeah. I can't wait to dig into these. Well, they look, oh my gosh, guys, they look delicious. So now we're just gonna let them cool down, and that's just about it. You got yourself some cinnamon rolls with original glaze and cream cheese. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and if you guys want to see more cooking with China, give this video a big thumbs up, you guys. Okay, so see you in the next video. Bye.